Good morning, dear student. Today I will discuss you class 11th biology chapter 3 plant kingdom according to your revised new CBSE syllabus. Chapter 3 plant kingdom. In this chapter you have studied previous chapter. We look to broad the classification of living organism under the system of Whittaker, where I suggest the five kingdom classification: Monera, Protista, Fungi, Animalia, and Plantae. In this chapter, we will deal detailed with the further classification. Plantae, popularly known as plant kingdom. Plant kingdom divided into two parts: cryptogames and phanerogames. Cryptogames means plant without seed, sex organ invisible. Phanerogames, plant with seed, sex organ visible. And then further phanerogames divided into two parts: gymnosperm and angiosperm. Gymnosperm will also divided into three parts: Psychopsida, Coniferopsida, Genetopsida. And angiosperm divided into two parts: dicotyledonous and monocotyledonous. And first cryptogames divided into three parts: Thylophyta, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta. Bryophyta will also divide into three parts: Hepatopsida, Antheropsida, and Bryopsida. Pteridophytes divided into four parts: Phylopsida and Lycopsida, Phenopsida, and Pteridopsida. According to your syllabus, that means we study the first of all division thylophytes. It is the simplest plant which possesses undifferentiated or thallus-like form, reproductive organ single-celled, non-jackets called gametangia, embryo stage vascular mechanical tissue are all absent. Differentiation of true root stems and leaves is also absent. Asexual reproduction by the spore is very common. Presently, it's include only algae. Algae, that means alga, sea seeds, and chlorophyll containing thylophytes and their relatives, which characterize the absence of embryo stage and presence of non-jacket gametangia. In your NCERT books, the group in plant kingdom along with bacteria and fungi in Whittaker classification, diatoms, euglenites, and plantae like red algae, brown algae, and green algae. First of all, we discussed the characteristics feature of algae. Algae are usually aquatic, either marine or freshwater. Only a few algae occurs in moist terrestrial habitat like tree, trunk, wet rock, moist soil. Plant body is thallus, that is without form differentiation into root, stem, and leaves, which may be unicellular, colonial, filamentous, parenchymatous, and pseudoparenchyma. Algae, like other aquatic plants, are covered by mucilage. That mucilage protect the algae from epiphytic growth and decaying effects of water is also prevent desiccation of algae. The mechanical tissue is absent. The body is flexible. It helps the algae to sway to water without being torn. Nutrition is photosynthetic. Grana are absent in chloroplast. Algae contain chlorophyll, a carotene like xanthophylls. Additional pigment like phycobilin and fucoxanthin occurs in specific group. Vegetative and asexual mode of reproduction are abundant. Asexual spore are two types, mitospore and meiospore. They are easily dispersed in aquatic habitat, actually in motile, and passively water current in non-motile. Sexual reproduction is absent in blue-green algae. In other, it presents sex organ or non-jackets, that means opens, called gametangia. Sexual reproduction involves isogamy, anisogamy, oogamy in different type. An embryonic stage is absent. Life cycle in various forms like haplobiontic, diplobiontic, and diplohaplobiontic. Algae are usually differentiated on the basis of their pigment, flagellation, and storage product. Algae includes under the kingdom of Whitaker are three types: red algae, brown algae, and green algae. Red algae means you can say Rhodophyceae, brown algae you can say Phaeophyceae, and green algae you can say Chlorophyceae. Red algae, that means we discussed the chart, differentiate between red algae, brown algae, and green algae. Red algae mostly marine, and brown algae mostly marine, and green algae mostly freshwater and subaerial. Red algae usually species in fever, unicellular, and brown algae species unicellular absent. That means you can say that unicellular species is absent in brown algae and unicellular species are abundant in green algae. In red algae, thylakoids are unstacked, and brown algae thylakoids occur in group of three forms. Thylakoida stacks in group of 2 to 20. Chlorophyll second A and B type in red algae. Chlorophyll second A and C type in brown algae. Chlorophyll A and B type in green algae. Fucoxanthin may be present in red algae. Fucoxanthin is abundant in brown algae. Fucoxanthin is absent in green algae. Phycobilin present in red algae. Phycobilins absent in brown algae. Phycobilin absent in green algae. Reserve food in floridant starch in red algae and reserve food in laminaria brown algae and reserve food in starch in green algae. Motile stage are absent in green algae. Present flagella lateral and unequal in brown algae. Present flagella 2 to 8 apicals in and equal in green algae. Cell wall contains cellulose and sulfate phycolates in red algae. Cell wall contains cellulose and non-sulfate phycolates in brown algae. Cell wall is of cellulose in green algae. Thank you.